Hey guys, RCT back here for that video, guys. Today we have another update to the Surface Duo 2, and it's a November update. So let's go ahead and talk about it because the first update that we got from the Surface Duo 2 was actually amazing. It fixed a lot of issues with the Surface Duo 2. It made it more stability wise. It also improved a lot of different functionality of it. And I will say, from getting this day one out of the box to that first firmware update, it really changed my whole entire experience with this device, and it actually became to a point where the Duo 2 was actually a really solid device for me, especially over the last month. Now we got another update. Now you might be saying, with all that good stuff you just talked about with that first update, that second update is going to be even better, right? And the sad part is, no, it's not. The second update isn't really an update. So what it is it actually is an update, but pretty much all they're doing is addressing scenarios outlined in the Android Security Bulletin. So when have we seen this stuff before? Yep, you probably guessed it, during the Duo 1. Over the last pretty much 10 months of having the Surface Duo 1, we saw the same bullcrap thing happen with the Duo 1. It's always just updating the firmware, giving us and make sure it's addressing scenarios outlined in the security bulletin. Now, again, like I said before, if we want to copy and paste every single month's worth of updates for the last whatever month, 6-7 months of Surface Duo 1, this is exactly what you would see. And again, like I said, listen, at the end of the day, I've said this over the last month of using the Duo 2. I haven't had much of an issue with the Duo 2. The Duo 2 has done everything I need possible, and there's no problem at all. And the only thing I could really see that could be updated technically would be updating from 90 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rate on the actual display. That's the only thing I could see even being an update. Because first off, we're not getting Android 12 anytime soon on this device. That's not even coming to the Z Fold 3 until sometime early next month. So if we're getting Android 12, it wouldn't be until the December update, let alone anything else. We're not getting Android 12L until sometime early next year. So like I said before, there's not much they can really update on the Surface Duo 2 at the moment. They could go ahead and try to, push some updates, make it more stability-wise. But at the end of the day, I said this in my video earlier, the biggest issue with the Duo 2 is not the firmware. It's not the hardware, and it's not the firmware. The biggest issue is, of course, the optimization of apps for this device. And the sad part is, until we see, this become a flagship phone, we're not going to see that optimization as much. Because at the end of the day, if a company's like, all right, we're going to make a foldable version of our device or foldable version of our application, they're going to look more toward the Z Fold 3, right? Because that's more selling better than the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. So they're going to be looking more toward that than they would be toward the Duo 2, which kind of does suck because the Duo 2, at the end of the day, is different than the Fold 3. The Fold 3 is one gigantic display that folds. This, of course, is two displays that fold together. So kind of does suck, but I am expecting still a couple more great updates through the rest of this year. Again, we have one more big update for December. That's when we'll probably get Android 11 on the Surface Duo 1. And then, of course, early next year, we'll probably start seeing maybe Android 12 on the Surface Duo 2. Can I say one thing? This is one thing I'm really excited about for the Duo 2, okay? Duo 1, not that much. Duo 2, yes. And that is the Duo 2 can actually go ahead and support Android 12. It has the latest and greatest hardware with, of course, Snapdragon 888 processor. It also has 6 gigabytes of RAM. So it has the ability to support Android 12 and run it in a full polished version. So I will definitely say, if Microsoft is planning, which I kind of expect this, is early next month we're going to see Android 12 released to foldable devices like the Z Fold 3. I kind of feel like Microsoft might be holding out right now, push Android 12, middle next month, give us Android 12, and also give us, of course, kind of push it toward the holiday season. So the holiday season happens, Christmas is happening, and they're going to show off Android 12 with the Surface Duo 2, kind of boost some sales during the Christmas holiday. That's kind of what I'm expecting to see. And again, like I said, right now with this update, there's simply not much to update. I think this is a perfect device at the moment. And again, if they even push any kind of update out there, it might even cause more issues. With that being said, though, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'm really interested because I do definitely love to read your opinions down below, guys. And we are closing in on 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe I'm saying this because this channel we blew up over the last month, like 6-7 months, and we absolutely destroyed it. We went from around 200 subscribers all the way up to 1,000 subscribers. So I know I'm not there yet, guys, but I'm definitely closing in. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys who hitting that subscribe button. You guys mean the world to me. Every single one of you guys who comments on all of these videos. And trust me, I see you guys commenting. I do definitely love and appreciate it. Means the world to me that I can go ahead and just be a random dishwasher all the way up to being able to share some really cool technology with you guys, whether it is the Surface Duo 2, Duo 1, or the Z Fold 3. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.